Alright guys, we're back in the garage, and today we're going to install the Screamin Eagle air filter intake. So let's get into it. Alright, I should start by saying I'm not like a mechanic, and I don't really know what I'm doing here, but we're going to get through it together. So first step is going to be to take the old one off. So let's do that real quick here. No.
Oh no.
You got that?
Okay.
This thing wasn't very tight on, so I don't know if that's good or bad or what. One more in here. I might need to extend that a little bit longer here. Let's go. There, I'll put this somewhere safe. A couple more screws to take out. These are a little bigger. Oil. Let's put these parts in a box. So I take these off right here. Starting to get some rain. It's closed. Clean that up a little bit. All right, now we're going to take this part right here, lay it down flat so it's kind of sticking up. Take this piece right here, and we're going to install it in here. We gotta add a little bit of Loctite on it first. Probably the good thing to do. Oh, just a little, not a lot. That was a lot. And I'm just sneaking it in there right now. I'm not tightening it down all the way. One more screw right here. so that's done. And then next, we gotta install this right here. I'm gonna grab a towel. So we're gonna take this adhesive off, and then we're gonna lay it right on here. So it's gonna look something like that. Alright. See if we can't line that up good. About got her right there, maybe. That looks fairly decent. Alright, now we're at the part where we put these, I'm gonna call it square, but put these self-adhesive square washer thingies in here. Just kind of line them up, drop them in. There's one, and one more. Just drop it in and stick it down. All right, and then take these 3 bolts with us here. And this. Then we gotta line these up to these 3 right here. Alright, so I got the one in, and I'm gonna put some Loctite on it while it's on that side to get one started. So just put a little Loctite on there. That's plenty right there. Alright, now let's make sure we reline it up, because I can't seem to remember to put the Loctite on. This is lightly in right here, so now we're gonna take these little O-rings, there's 2 of them, and just gently fit it in there. There's one, that other one in there. Alright, so they're both in, and we're gonna take these big guys right here. I already got Loctite on them. And then we're just gonna loosely tighten them up. Alright, now would be a good time to tighten these all down here. There we go. I don't have a torque wrench, I would use that, but I'm confident in that. All right, so now let's come over here. We gotta get the other stuff installed here. This must be different than some of the other ones I remember watching back on YouTube, because this one doesn't seem to be quite as good of a quality as the other ones that I've seen. So. Well, this was kind of difficult here for me. I don't know why. What I did is I took this piece, I put this screw in, kind of made it like a hinge here. That way I can close it, but it still kind of creates a little bit of a gap here like that. So I'm just gonna kind of screw it in the best I can and call it good, I guess. So hopefully that works. All right, now we got to install this part right here so that this kind of lines up with the screw holes and that gap right there. All right, I think that looks good. Alright, now we got Loctite on this already, so let's put this on the bike. Alright guys, we got it all installed. It's good, secure, looks good. The only issue is trying to get this in there. Appears I ruined the filter itself. I'm gonna have to talk to somebody and see exactly what's going on with that. It was awfully hard to get in, and could be most likely user error, so I'll give you an update on that when it happens. But let's start it up right now. I will have my assistant, camera girl Kylie,
Okay.
fire it up, see what it looks like
This one?
when it's running. Yep.
This one right here.
Yep. Let it do its thing. Just make sure it's in neutral.
And
Yep.
neutral.
And then that one right there.
This one?
Yeah, hold it till she starts. Seems like it's idling awfully high, eh?
Yeah.
Might have to do something with the tuner
Right.
for that. That did not sound right.
No.
Oh
Smells not good.
no. Smells weird?
Yeah. Smell that? Here's the key.
Maybe there's something with the throttle body. It's stuck. Fob low battery.
For what?
Then there's check engine lights on now. Alright guys, it's running. It's on. So, that's it. Alright guys, big shout out to my assistant, Kylie, my daughter. Follow her on Kylie's channel. She's got a little YouTube channel where she does some fidgets and stuff, so check her out. And thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe.